So here we go. We're gonna start, okay, these are some of my favorite ones here. We're gonna get these guys mixed up, and there are reasons why. Look at that, boy, bean. And we're gonna put this steel here in this one. We're gonna put this steel in this one. Then we are going to go with this guy for our last one. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is mix these up. Okay, you ain't gotta sweat being too fast, but you do need to have just a little bit of speed, not a whole lot. So this first one right here, this is our Hocus Pocus, okay? Hocus Pocus is a really cool soft color. Okay, it's got a gray in it. It's got a bunch of different fine glitter in it, but predominantly it is going to be more in the light gray world. So this one is going to be dark on purpose. We're going to get this one going. Always make sure to scrape them sides good. So check that out. So this is our gray metallic. Super cool. Because we need some dark in there, no doubt. Alright. Moving on down the line. I'm going to mix a couple of these and get them going. Right, so we got some white metallic in that. So once you get them going, all right, I'm gonna jump back to this one a little bit more. Love these whites and how they're hidden. We're going to get this one a little bit more, and then we're going to move on to the last two real quick. Now that we have some things going here. Now the reason we have these whites in play is so we can tint the gray what we want. We've got two darks that we're going to tint with a Hocus Pocus and a white, and this is just a straight gray. So all these different tones of grays are what we're looking for. Dirty pours are really cool because it's based on what you're doing. It is based on the artist doing it. It is literally just that. That's why it's called a dirty pour, because it is hand mixed to your liking, to perfection. Now, what we're going to do, I'm simply going to both of my light ones, we're going to make those a smidge darker. Thing right here. This other gray, this is our battleship gray. Okay, we're going to put that guy in there, and then we're going to put some of this in here. And what I want to do is I want to take this Hocus Pocus, and I want a little bit of this in each one, because that is where our glitter is coming into play, which is going to be super cool. So, like I said, bunch of different colors. Now look at how that turned out, Tom.
That looks cool.
That's a dark one, buddy. All right, set him to the side. Let's work on this guy. Set him to the side. Man, your arm gets tired, Tom. All right, we've almost made it through all these again. Trying to get that pigment down around the bottom. I gotta use my left hand. Where are you at? All right, so these grays hitting are super cool. Just like last time, let me spin these up a couple. That guy. That's gonna hit in there nicely. It's gonna give it a real soft tone right at the end. See all the different shades of silver and gray. Look how that turned out. Really cool. Now I think what we're gonna need right here, these all look really well. So these are definitely my darker ones, which is cool. This one here, we are going to need to pop just a little bit more of this guy right in there. That's more of our famous hocus pocus. Hocus pocus time. Now, we are going to add a little bit more to that one again. Let me give these a quick stir just to keep everything kind of going here like we want it. Oh yeah, Tom, these are really turning out. So we are going to add more of this guy right here to that guy. We are going to get that guy a little more gray. There we go. All right. We are ready. Doctor these up just a little bit more. We are going to be pouring these guys out. Okay. There we go. Okay, so first, what we're gonna do, this guy in here just like that. Ding. All right. Now we're going to transfer this guy right in, right on top of this one, Tom. Boom. That's it. And we're going to transfer this one. Boom. Okay, and then there was 3. So look at that one. In she goes. Dang. And we're going to top it all off, Tom. And last but not least,